Just before we get into the video, we want to say that OnePlus is being named the UK's #1 recommended smartphone brand by the public. We'll leave more information in the description box below like that, and we'll get right into the video. Welcome back guys, Jack here at c247.com. We're here today with another unboxing video. Very lucky to get hands on one of these. It's the OnePlus Nord 2 5G. We've been waiting for this phone for a long time now, and it seems to be a great competitor in the mid-range budget phone market. So let's take a look a little more closely and see what it has to offer. Let's take a look inside the OnePlus Nord 2 box. Now, as you can see, the presentation here is fantastic. This has been the case with all the OnePlus phones we've taken a look at over the last couple of months. Inside the box, we'll be greeted with the phone first. We have the grey version here. Looking very nice as always. We'll take a look a little closer at that in just a moment. What else? Of course, we have the free silicone case. In there you'll find all your quick start information. We have the Warp Charge 65 power adapter. And their signature style red USB-C charging cable. Now, let's take a look at the phone a little more closely. So, the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's talk about the design. Now, you can see that it is very nice from the outside. It feels premium for a phone that sits in the $399 price bracket. The colour is okay. We much prefer the vibrancy of the OnePlus Nord C we've just taken a look at as well. Side by side. Okay. So, the OnePlus Nord 2 does come with a triple camera. You have the 50 megapixel Sony camera, you also get an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. It's really smart. The 50 megapixel rear camera comes from the OnePlus 9's ultra wide angle lens, which for us is a really smart addition. On the front, it comes with a 32 megapixel Sony camera as well as something called Group Shot 2 that allows you to take some ultra wide angle selfies to fit in all of your friends. Of course, one of our favourite things to talk about when it comes to any OnePlus device is its fast charging. The Nord 2 is no exception. It comes with the Warp Charge 65, which in latest terms means you can get a day's power in 15 minutes, which by any means is absolutely outstanding. The OnePlus Nord 2 does come with a MediaTek chipset, which is the first phone of the OnePlus range to do so. It comes with the Dimensity 1200 AI. The AI component helps to improve your photos, your fluid display, and provides you some faster gaming. Now, in terms of display, it comes with a 6.43-inch AMOLED full HD display, which in itself looks very nice. It has 90Hz refresh rate as well, so switching between apps or playing your favourite games is always very smooth. It's not the best screen we've seen out of some of the phones we've taken a look at over a couple of months, but the OnePlus 9 Pro obviously does outshine this by a long way. However, for £399, we're pleased with the way it looks. With all the fancy stuff out the way, we can talk about the dual speakers. Nord 2 has new Durac dual speaker technology, which helps improve the overall audio of the phone. It also is a 5G ready device, therefore you can plug in your 5G SIM and make the most of those excellent network speeds. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 helps to improve the network speeds of your device when many others are also connected to the same Wi-Fi, which we think is a pretty neat feature. This device comes with 128GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM. You can upgrade for an additional £60 at the moment for the 256GB variant that has 12GB of RAM. Unfortunately, this device does not come with a microSD card, so if you're taking loads of photos, loads of videos, downloading loads of apps, the 256GB may be the best variant for you. If you're curious as to how the OnePlus Nord 2 compares to the original OnePlus Nord, we'll leave a link in the description box below so you can take a look at our previous unboxing video. And of course, before we go, do remember that all OnePlus devices are available at c247.com, including the new OnePlus Nord 2. Thanks for watching guys. As always, if you'd like to see more videos of these, please do let us know in the description box below. And as always, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.